What's up, YouTube fam? Alright, check it out, guys. I've got to create a tool that will actually work. Obviously, this one is not. They've been using a tool that is basically designed for one of these grinders right here. It's not basically designed for it, it is for that. Taking off and on that, the abrasive discs and stuff that you use on those grinders. So the handle is fine. The handle's actually the right length. You don't want it too long to put too much torque on it's going on the lathe. At the end of this video, I'll show you if everything goes as planned, which I'm pretty sure it will. As I always say, if it's metal, it's moldable. You can make anything out of it. So all you gotta do is just have your patience. Kind of like working with charcoal on doing a portrait drawing or something with charcoal. It's very, very easy to correct. So that being said, here is the plan. Okay, this is actually the measurement outside to outside on these is what I need, but it's also the tongs are also the same length is what I need. So it's gonna make it really easy measuring this on here like so. So you would think, what do you make two separate pieces and weld them on? No, I've actually got a piece of material here, this 3/16. I'm going to cut this and weld it to it and then sculpt it until it fits just perfectly. Our slots are actually 1/4 inch, but 3/16 is our number that we want because we don't want it to be too tight in there to where they're having to work it in and work it out each time. Okay, so with this Metabo blade, I'm actually going to cut that mark right there, and I'm going to cut these little tongs off, clean this up both front and back real good, and get started. Okay, I've given myself a happy little bevel there. Everything is welded, both inside and out. I'm starting this with a solid work piece, whether it gets cut out later or not. Now, after letting that air cool to room temperature, I will come in and I will mark my placement of where I'm going to make my cuts. Now that we have our marks measured, I will actually come in here and cut this line going across here first, and then cut there and there. A little ham boning with a file to break down the sharp edges, and a wire wheel, and we're ready for a test run. Okay, on the first test run, we got to cut out, we got to scallop a little bit of this so it'll reach up a little further in there, and we'll do that with a rotary file. Alright, now that we've done that, we can go check for round 2. Perfect.